Me grow with Addy, me at 22 years old. Me gonna be 23. 22 years. 22 years. And every day me soon come over here and say, oh, your mother I water pa you, and your mother this I am. No, bro. Mommy, I water not upon nobody. Cause most of those tears were fake. They're so fake. She pushed them out. She raised up her blood pressure for them come out. Those tears are not real. Cause there's no way I'm gonna see my child will give birth to her baby in a pain and I'm gonna put more pressure upon the situation. That's not a matter. I'm gonna tell you now again, if you don't want to hear it, I don't care. That is not a matter. Look upon Daniel. Daniel not perfect, but Daniel come up on the internet and do a lot of things and when they right here, so I try to help me every day. Every day the same person will sit down and talk about. If it so be the case of me and him have to break up, me and him would have to go leave, and there's no problem in that, guys. I want you guys to know that. I want you guys to know, say, if me and Daniel for break up, there's no problem. No problem. Since that a bad no. But I want to get you on a thick skull. Say, I'm a mother. I feel pain just like how my mother feel pain. When she come out and a ball, I see him when me there in my house locked down a ball. Me don't do it on the live. Because my mother calling can be heard by multiple peoples. But when it comes to me, nobody gives a shit. Nobody. They only come over here to troll me and they don't know me. They just know the things that some people come out on the internet can say, and certain way me I can behave on the internet make them look for me as a mad girl, and me need to change that. You get me? But nobody is perfect. My mother look for me and tell me so she'll give me $300 towards the baby. She come back and cuss me and come on the internet just for, oh no, come disrespect me and say a $600 she did go give me. $600, which it was a lie. She don't need to come on the internet and try to bring me down in any way, because the least way Annie say, if Annie say me not like Anna, una go roll with it. She don't need to come and kill up herself and say nothing about me.